Hello guys, we are on 7.2, okay? 7.2 says that if x equals to 30 degrees, show that the area of ABCD equals to 3AB squared. Then we are having it for 3 marks there, okay? We are having ABC, uh, ABCD there, okay? And we are told that ABCD is a rectangle there, okay? It's a rectangle there, and we know that the area for rectangle is uh, base or length multiplied by base there, okay? We are having 7.2 here, 7.2, okay? The area for rectangle is usually length multiplied by breadth there, okay? We are having it like that. This is the shape that we are having, okay? Then you can have length, breadth there, okay? Even this, remember, this side is equal to this one, and this side is equal to that one, okay? Opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, okay? In this case, we are going to use our BC as the length and DC as the breadth, okay? The reason we are using that here is because we are having the BC here expressed here, okay? I mean in terms of DC. Actually, we are having DC here, and whereby the DC it is having the BC, okay? Then we are going to use the BC instead of the AD as the length, and the DC as the breadth instead of the AB, okay? Yes, we're going to say BC multiplying the DC. Because of this, we're having DC and BC here, okay? Then we're going to say our length, okay? We're going to say our length, we use the BC multiplying the DC there, okay? Then we know the magnitude of DC is the same as BC over 4 cos squared x there, okay? We can directly substitute the DC, okay? Where we see the DC, we substitute by that, okay? But when we substitute DC by BC over 4 cos squared, okay, we're going to have it here. It means the BC is going to multiply this BC, okay? It's going to multiply this BC, then we're going to have BC squared, okay? And BC squared is what? Is a length. But when you check our the area that we must show here, it is having AB squared, and AB squared is what here is the breadth, okay? So we don't want to express our area in terms of length, okay? In terms of length, we want to express it in terms of a breadth, okay? Then in this case, we are not gonna substitute the DC, because the DC is a breadth. What we are gonna deal with is the DC. We want to substitute the DC with, I mean the BC with something, okay? Then here we're going to make BC the subject of the formula instead of the DC, okay? Then here we're going to say part. We're going to say part, okay? But DC equals to BC over the 4 cos squared x there. This is squared, okay? It is there above. We proved it, okay? Then we say this one should be over 1, okay? We want to make BC the subject of the formula, because BC is a length. We don't want length here. We want to deal with breadth, okay? We want to deal with breadth because AB is a breadth here, okay? And our area is expected to be expressed in terms of breadth, okay? Then here we're going to say 1 multiplied by BC, it gives us BC. Then we're going to have DC multiplying that, okay? Then we're going to have DC multiplying the 4 cos squared x there. We're having it like that, okay? Then we're going to take this and substitute it there, okay? Then we're going to say therefore our area equals to, where we see BC, we substitute by DC multiplying the 4 cos squared x there, okay? Again, we're still having the DC here. we substituted the BC by this. Okay, then what happens here is that we are going to say DC multiplying the DC, we are having what? DC squared. Okay, then here, sorry for that, then here we are still having the 4 cos squared x. Okay, we are having it like that. We are having the 4 cos squared x. Okay, remember we are given the magnitude of the x as 30 degrees, then we can substitute the x as 30 degrees, then we can say a equals to dc squared 4 cos squared x there into 30 degrees. Okay, then here we are just having the numbers. Okay, we can punch on the calculator there directly. Okay, this is our calculator. We can say 4 cos 30. Okay, we are having the square there, and we are having 3. Okay, then it means here we are going to have our as dc squared multiplying the 3. Okay, then we can arrange it like this. We can say therefore our a equals to 3dc squared. Okay, but remember with us here we are having AB. Okay, remember this is a rectangle. Okay, AB is the same as DC. Okay, because opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Okay, then you can right away replace DC with AB. Okay, then here we say again, therefore our A should be 3AB squared. Then we were having it like that because DC like an AB. Opposite, we can even attach the reason there if it's necessary. Okay, we can even attach it here to say opposite sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay, then we are having it like that. Then that is our 3 marks. Okay, if you are having a question, you can ask. Okay, bye.